Hi friends, this is Whitney with Faith, Trust, and Christ. We hope you guys are having a blessed day. If you are new here, we like to talk a lot about Disney, go on travel adventures, and teach you some tricks to help you on your next Disney adventure. Today on the channel, I am going to show you how to get that virtual queue. So you're going to scroll up and you're going to see where it says virtual queue and you're going to push join virtual queue. We are in Magic Kingdom today, so you're going to confirm your party. I highly recommend going ahead and confirming your party prior to 7 a.m. Get up a little bit early. Make sure everyone who wants to ride in your party is ready to go. Confirm, and then you're just going to click refresh over and over until it says join the virtual queue. Just keep on clicking, and I click right up until 7 a.m. So once we joined the virtual queue, we got group 31, and as soon as we got to the parks, our group was called, so that was great. You will want to have your push notifications on for your My Disney Experience app. That way it can let you know when your virtual queues are ready to go and you can go ride your ride. I hope that you guys are having a blessed day. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. We would love to have you around. Have a great day, guys.